In this video, I'm going to take you through the new Crypto.com Visa reward structure that comes into effect 1st of June 2022. For more information on Crypto.com, please check out everybithelps.io. Crypto.com initially launched their Visa card in 2018 and have since grown to be the world's most popular Visa card program offering crypto rewards, including rebates on subscriptions such as Spotify or Netflix and free airport lounges. Plus, you could also get up to 8% cashback in their own CRO token. However, on the 1st of May 2022, Crypto.com released a Crypto.com Visa card update, stating that to ensure long-term sustainability, they are introducing a number of changes to the CRO card reward program, which will be effective on the 1st of June 2022. This included a reduction of CRO card rewards, the introduction of monthly CRO card rewards caps, revisions to CRO staking rewards, and changes to card reissuance. The community then responded to these changes rather unfavourably, and Crypto.com reacted by actually taking some of these comments on board. And as a result, their CEO took to Twitter, announcing that they would be revising the card's staking rewards on the 3rd of May. And a few days later, they went on to announce that they would also be revising and increasing the cashback rewards, which although didn't return to their former rewards, Crypto.com have stated that they are trying to offer a more balanced approach. So where are we now, and how will things change for you on the 1st of June? And we'll take a look at these by all the different types of card tiers, which are based on the number of CRO tokens that users are staking. For example, with Midnight Blue you don't need to stake any tokens. Ruby Steel you need $400 or 350 euros worth of CRO. Royal Indigo or Jade Green requires $4,000 worth of CRO. Rose Gold or Icy White is $40,000 or 35,000 euros, and Obsidian is 400,000 or 350,000 euros worth of CRO. And it's worth mentioning that cardholders who began staking before the 31st of May will continue to earn the current rewards rate until their 180-day staking period expires. And following that period, cardholders will earn the updated card rewards and the new CRO staking APY. So what are the new revised rates? Well, these are either split by having no stake or an active stake. So Midnight Blue is 0% for either an active or zero stake. Ruby Seal increases to 1% with an active stake. Royal Indigo or Jade Green is 2%. Icy White or Frosted Rose, i.e. those with a $40,000 stake, will either get 1% or 3% for an active stake. Then Obsidian is 2% and 5% at the highest tier. And most of these have been halved or almost so from the current rates that are displayed on their website. Not only that, but some cards are also capped in terms of how many rewards they can earn. For example, Ruby Steel cardholders will be capped at $25 that are paid in CRO, which is equivalent to $2,500 being spent. And Royal Indigo or Jade Green cardholders will be capped at $50, which is the equivalent to spending $2,500. Rebates on card benefits, such as Spotify and Netflix credits, don't count towards these caps. Then the other higher tiered cards aren't capped, and Midnight Blue doesn't get any rewards on spending at all. Then in terms of staking rewards, which were originally removed completely, but revised after the backlash from the community, private members with an Obsidian, Icy White or Frosted Rose Gold card will receive 8%, and Jade Green or Royal Indigo holders will receive 4%. And the only good news in all of this is the fact that they've removed the $50 reissuance fee for upgrading their card, which I've just taken advantage of after refusing to pay for a new card after my previous upgrade. And they state that aside from the rewards, the card perks will not be changed, including 100% reimbursement for Spotify, Netflix and Amazon Prime. And Jade Green, Royal Indigo and other higher tier cardholders also get unlimited complimentary lounge key airport lounge access. And as I said, existing 6-month stake and any new stakes made before May 31st will be protected at the old rates until they expire. But that's all for our update on the Crypto.com card changes. But what will you do now in terms of these new changes coming into effect? Let us know in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.